Now let me discuss a comparative study in between solid, liquid and gas. First, in case of solid, we know solids has definite shape, size, okay, but liquid have definite volume but not definite shape. It takes the shape of the container in which it is kept, okay. Now in case of gas has no definite volume as well as no definite shape. Let me give an example. Suppose in a 10-liter container I kept there only 1 liter gas, okay. Then that 1 liter gas occupy the total 10-liter container and the volume of the gas become 10 liter. Now that much gas if I kept into a container of 20 liter, then the volume of that gas will be 20 liter then, okay. So the volume of gas is depend on the container. The volume of the container is equals to the volume of the gas, okay. Now number 2 point, the intermolecular force. In case of solid, maximum intermolecular force. In case of gas, less, very less or negligible intermolecular force. And in case of liquid, in between solid and gas. Number 3 point, the intermolecular space. In case of solid it is negligible, in case of gas it is maximum, in case of solid it is somewhere in between solid and gas, okay. Now kinetic energy is very small in case of solid, very large in case of gas, and the kinetic energy is somewhere in between gas and solid in case of liquid. Now there is a concept, I am going to the concept of change of state. Why the state changes, okay. The state changes when the molecules get the kinetic energy and it converts into liquid from solid and gas from liquid. Understand, suppose there is a solid, the molecules have less kinetic energy, and if I apply some energy from outside, suppose in the form of heat energy, what happened? The molecules get energy and they started vibrating more rigorously. So due to the rigorous vibration, they got some kinetic energy and the space between the molecules increased. So the solid converts into liquid. Now in the case of liquid, the same incident happened. If we give some energy from outside, what happened? The molecules of liquid got some energy from outside and they started vibrating, and the then intermolecular space again increased and they convert into the gaseous state. That is how the state change occurs, okay. So the physical quantity, which is temperature, is responsible for the state of change. When we give heat energy to a matter, the temperature of that matter increases, so that is why it converts from solid to liquid and liquid to gas, okay. So in this lecture, up to this, in the next lecture we will going through the change of states in detail, okay. Thank you.